With Scott Bauer, CEO of Prospect Trading Academy. How are you approaching your example trade for this one? It's been a toughie, hasn't it, Scott? Because, I mean, you thought at one stage that, you know, some of the overhangs had been lifted over this stock, but now it just continues to uninspire.
It absolutely has been. And talking about the orange phone, I actually went on last night to upgrade my phone, and I saw that orange thing, and I did not like that at all. I'm going with the dark blue one. But anyway, I am definitely long-term bullish on Apple. Short-term here, we're kind of in a holding pattern. I mean, it's really a tug of war. It's a push and pull. So in a situation like that where I'm looking for just kind of some sideways movement, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell an iron condor. That's selling both a put spread and a call spread, really looking for the stock to remain somewhat range bound. So I'm going out a couple weeks to October 3rd, and I'm going to sell on the downside the 235, 225 put spread. I'm going to sell on the upside the 245, 255 call spread. I can collect about $4 for that. I like that premium. My break-even levels going out to that October 3rd expiration on the downside would be 231. On the upside would be 249. So I've got that range 231 to 249 for a couple weeks where I would make money on this trade. And if there is a major move, if there's a big blowout move on Apple one way or the other, I have a completely risk-defined position on. I know what I can lose. I can always adjust it, but I know what my max potential loss is.
All right. Just wondering, thoughts, Scott, on the overall market today as we get set up for this big decision and what we're likely to hear from Powell and Co. this afternoon?
Sure. Just like everyone else, I mean, we know there's going to be a quarter cut. If there is a 50 basis point cut, I think the market actually goes down because that would, to me, that would signal that the Fed is actually getting nervous, maybe panicked a little bit about the economy, about the unemployment, the job situation. So we're all going to be looking at the dot plot going forward. That's going to be the big thing.
Yeah, not according to Ben Emmons. I just had him on earlier saying that it's going to be 50 and it's not going to be hawkish in his mind, and that we could see stocks rallying because it could be seen as an insurance cut. So, it's a fascinating chat and obviously diverging views that we're seeing as well. All right, thanks so much for that, Scott. Really appreciate your time today. Scott Bauer, CEO of Prospect Trading Academy.